talking yet?
CELINE can't talk, but he can say Mama and Dada.
Mummy and Daddy. She says Mummy and Daddy.
No, Mama. He says Mama and Dada. That's funny.
I've heard it talking Mummy. Oh, Mama.
I made you Chinook.
Huh? What's Chinook?
I made you.
What's Chinook?
What's that word again for chicken? I made you something milk. What is it?
Manok.
I made you manok and you're like.
Chinook.
Who's the most handsome for you?
Finley.
Finley?
Yeah, I want to get married.
How did you do the same?
I want to get married.
To Finley?
Yeah.
Finley or Tassie?
Finley. Because I want to get a figure just as a princess.
Oh, you want to get in a wedding dressed like a princess?
Anything on the head?
No, I don't want to be flower girl.
No, do you want to be the
I don't want to be the princess. I'm not finished shopping. I don't want to be flower girl.
Okay.
I just want the one wearing the white dress.
Good morning, Ate Paris.
Good morning.
Where are you?
Just at the shop. Just right there to the coffee shop. And I just took me for a walk.
We are an early riser today. Si CELINE kaninang umaga.
But I wake up early.
Yeah.
And Daddy
CELINE kaninang umaga, guys.
and
To,
Daddy
di ba kanina?
Daddy did wake up early.
Yeah, we did, but Daddy did not. It's still very early now. It's still early. It's just us. We woke up very early. Ito siya, nagising mga 6 o'clock. Si Baby CELINE, di ba, nag-vlog ako kanina. Kaninang umaga. 2 o'clock yun. Nakatulog siya ulit. Kasi mami niyo hindi na nakatulog, guys. Kaya, ayan. Anyways, maaga yung dalawa nagising. Kaya,
You're a bullet.
what are you drinking na?
Baby Cheetah.
So we went for a walk here. Ayan sa Daddy Mike. Ayan, Baby CELINE eh. Is yours hot chocolate as well?
No. Baby Cheetah.
Baby China?
Yeah, it's hot.
Mine is hot chocolate.
Wait. Bye. Is this baby Cheetah? This is hot baby Cheetah.
Lily.
Bye. Bye. This is baby Cheetah hot. Bye. This is hot.
Is it hot?
What's the time?
Bye.
We ate niya?
Come on.
Lily. Lily.
Finish your baby chino?
How are you, Lily? Whoa. May kumot na yan. It's cold.
Fast finish, mommy.
Finish na? 8 o'clock pa lang eh.
Yeah.
Finish?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Give it to Lainey. Lainey wants something to hold on. Abi, give it to Mama na lang. Hand it to Lainey. Put it. Good girl. Good girl.
I think we balance them together.
Yes. Okay, let's go. So Daddy Mike ay working from home today. So babalik na yan siya sa bahay. What kami?
Yeah, but you're the chosen one.
Careful na. Punta muna kami ng grocery guys kasi bili kami ng bread and milk and what else? Yung mga kailangan namin sa bahay. And then we'll get home and make breakfast. Busy na yung daan. Wait for Mama na. What's that? Ang ganda ng kanyang mood kapag daytime, guys. Pero pag gabi, goodness. Oh, ngayon pa kami umakyat dito sa taas kasi nakatulog siya from the shop. Hindi ko na siya ginising kasi ang aga-aga gumising ito kanina. Yes. Hindi ko pa nga nailagay sa pantry yung mga napamili namin. Isn't that right, anak ko? Opo, opo. Where's Ate Paris? Where's Ate Paris? Do you know? I'll give her a bath. Hmm? Ayush! Say bye-bye, tita. Bye-bye. No? Tingnan nyo ang ating Ate Paris, ha? Pagkita ko sa inyo. Ayan, nakatulog. Ayush, up. Pagka-uwi namin dito kanina, naglaro pa siya kasi nagpabili siya sa akin ng mga stickers. Okay, excuse me na. Tingnan nyo. Pabili siya ng mga stickers. O, ayan. Naglaro siya konti. And then, black. Awat-awat man sa iyong mata. Natulog na. Shush, beautiful. Man. Shh, Lenny. Shh. Lenny girl. Okay, you don't have to cry. There you go. Mama will get it for you. Yeah. Naka-banning straight pa si Lenny, oh. Banning straight. Banning straight. That is working. Ito yung binili namin from the shop. From the life ko na. Bought this for CELINE. More teething rust. Binigyan ko siya ng isa kanina. Ayaw naman niya. Tinapon niya. Natural mini yogurt. Some finger food. I've got some yogurt. Tingnan niyo. Ala. Shh. Come here. Tatayo yan, no? Lini. Shh. Shh. Toothbrush for your Paris. Uy! Shh! Lini! Alam niyo bang ginagawa niya? Hinalikan niya yung paa ng tatay niya. Kasi ito tiga, men. Sobrang daming pena, oh. Pero huwag tayo makita o mawala ang isa, no? Oh, I didn't see this one. Paris was very cheeky. Nilagyan niya ng Wiggles na toothpaste, oh. Hindi ko yan, nilagay sa basket. Ano to ba? Wala dito lagi yung toothbrush na binili ko. Nak, asa mo toothbrush ni Daddy? Ayan. Bili ako ng bagong toothbrush din namin ni Daddy Mike. Yeah. Ballpen. Bumili ako ng ballpen, guys, kasi pupunta ako ng post office mamaya. May ipopost ako. And also, gusto ko nang i-apply yung passport ni Lini. Meron na kasi akong paperwork dito. Kailangan ko lang i-fill up ba. Wala yung pen. Ewan ko kasi pen dito sa bahay, eh. Wipes. So, start ko na kasi meron na naman kaming photo niya, passport photo niya. So, I think i-fill up lang yung form tapos dalhin sa post office, and I think that's about it. Si Daddy Mike nga, pinupush ko rin. Sabi ko na na siya ng passport niya kasi, di ba, uuwi kami ng Pilipinas in Feb next year. So, hindi na yun siya kalayuan, guys, di ba? Kasi June na ngayon. Kasi yung passport niya, nag-expire. Hindi pa niya na-renew. But I think it's easy naman. Sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike, nabasa ko online, he can renew passport online para Kasi di ba like all day nakaharap sa laptop, ganun. So, for sure, mayroong 10 minutes para tingnan yung renewal. And then another one, bread. So, yun lang guys. Marami pa akong gustong bilhin sa Woolies. Kaya nga lang, itong ating baby girl kanina ay paiyak-iyak na kasi very sleepy na ba. Kaya nagmadali na lang akong lumabas. Yun lang yung mabili ko. Balik na lang siguro kami mamaya. Tingnan nyo, bumalik na naman doon. Celine!
No, of course. We do have some concerns around that. I'll just be completely transparent. And the reason, yeah, for sure, the reason.
Siguro pakainin ko muna yan siya bago ko bath. I'll give her something to eat. Yes? And then, give her a bath. And then, yeah, get on with our day. Someone's having strawberry.
I get that.
Ito pala, hinanap ko kanina guys kasi hindi ko na ipakita. Ito sabi ko, lasa ng strawberry, andyan pala, nilagay na ni Daddy Mike sa fridge. Sobrang mahal ng frutas. Sobrang mahal ng prutas nila ngayon guys kasi hindi season ba. So yung ganyan, maliit na strawberry, blueberry, kasi bumili na ako ng blueberry. $7? No.
I get that.
No. Kapag season kasi guys, minsan to 50.
We need to, that's all we want to do.
Na? No, yes, I know.
Immediately.
Yes, I know. Is it
You
sweet
said that
now?
it's your life savings. You also said that you didn't. This is
Ooh, yummy.
had no recollection of where the source of funds come from.
Ooh, yummy.
The Bendigo Bank. Because I asked him elsewhere, and he said no. And
Alam mo na kag vampire nak. Mula kag vampire. Whoosh, mag-bath dayon siya guys after kumain.
Don't be busted.
I'll be fresh. And she will be fresh.
But what concerns
Do you like it? You love strawberry, don't you? You have to finish that one. 2:30 ng hapon. Say hello everyone. Nagsipon-sipon man ako eh. Tapos ko lang pinakain guys ng blueberry. So we're doing this. We're doing this. Kasi punta kami ng post office soon. And try kong i-fill up tong form na to guys. Yung kanyang passport. It's your passport na. Where are you going, Celine? Where are you going? Yeah. Natatapos talaga ako nito sa pag-fill up ng ating form, oy. Hindi ka man magpalagay, oy. Oh my goodness guys, hindi ko rin pala ito madadala sa post office today kasi kailangan pala ng guarantor. So, alam niyo naman, yung guarantor guys, someone na hindi namin, hindi kapamilya. Hoy, what are you doing, ate?
My tongue is color green.
That's from your dream. That's from your dream. Yung hindi namin kakilala ba, hindi related, na mag-guarantee na Celine is Celine, you know what I mean? Kaya, yeah, hindi pala ito mangyayari today. Anyways, tomorrow, kasi may school sa Paris bukas. May school sa Paris bukas, guys. So, dadalhin ko tong form na to. And may Pinay kasi na teacher ni Ate Paris dyan sa, sa kindergarten niya. So, you know, she knows Celine by now, you know, every time we go and pick Ate Paris up. So, we'll see if she can, guarantee Celine's identity. Kasi, madali lang naman, guys. Gagawin naman niya siguro kasi hindi naman kami gumagawa ng mga masamang bagay, no? We're legit manak, no? Na getting your passport.
I mean,
Have you got your passport? You know where your passport is? Yeah. I'll show you. CELINE! Okay. Yeah. Okay, you okay? Nakain ko dalitso na.
she's the funny girl.
Look, ate. Who's this? Who is that girl I see?
That's you.
Staring straight
That's me.
back. Come here, nak.
Right, that's me.
Come here.
Come on.
See if you have the same face. Come in the camera. Look in the camera.
Hmm?
Look in the camera. Wow!
Do I have to say face?
Yes. This 18, 19, 20, 22. 4 years later na.
Can I use this one?
3 years
When I
something.
put on this?
Of course you can. Pasaporte! Babiyahe si CELINE. Careful na, kape. Ito, mama. Do you want your book? Okay. Lingkod dali, Lingkod dali. Ay!
So let's
Ang ating mga tutupiin, guys, ba, oh? Gabundok na naman.
At one time we went for a excursion to the big
Move here a little bit, nak, because you're too big there, oh. You can see the one. Alingagngag. Can you say it? Alingagngag.
Alinagna.
Alingagngag.
Alinagna. Huh?
Huh? Alingagngag. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Linigel. Nak, you just nak. Celine's taking it. CELINE. Hala ka. Tingnan itong batang to, guys. Oh. Lahat hinihila. Lahat hinihila mo, Inday. Pati yung trim. Nak, take your jacket off, Nakbi. What was that? What was that? Oh, yeah. You want water? Oh, wala lang water na lang. Oh, try the water na lang. Water.
Hi, this is a 6. Like that.
Good job, ate. Mama. I love you, sweetie girl.
A few moments later.
We're out again, people. It's 4 o'clock ng hapon. Maglalakad kami papuntang post office. Ang ganda din kasi, oh. Oh, lumabas si Haring Araw. Hindi siya masyadong maginaw. Pero, ang ating baby girl ay nakamedyas na hindi magapareha. Nak, I don't know why. Paglabas ng mga medyas from the washing machine ay wala nang pares na. Lini! Ang Lini ang gisipon nga baby. Ay, sipon mo na mong baby. Ay. No. Huh. How you feeling, sweetie girl? Sa daytime, guys, hindi siya masyadong, kilala. Pero pagdating sa gabi, dun siya umiyak talaga. But that's what they said. Yung pagngipin talaga, mas masakit siya tuwing gabi. Kasi, anything? Kasi, less distraction sa kanila. Tapos, they're exhausted for the day. Kaya, ayan. What is it?
Woolly paper.
Is it from Woolies? That's catalog. Kabi catalog.
Catalog.
Good girl. Brochure. Can you say brochure?
For sure.
Ito mo na. Pupunta rin na binbi. We don't need that man.
Put it in the bin.
There. Can you reach the bin?
Sure I can.
Huh?
Sure I can.
Sure can? Let's see. Use the yellow. No, this one on the road. This one here. Oh, it's a beautiful afternoon. I'm super tired, guys. Super sleepy.
Too heavy.
Okay, put it in. Oh. Okay. Pick the other one up too.
I can
Come on,
read
because it smells.
it.
Ew.
Eerie girly. Eerie girly. Eerie girly.
Ling ni Mama. Ito yung ipopost ko, guys. 2 bags. And, alam nyo ba, yung bumili nito, 2 Pinay. Sa ano? Dito online. So, be interesting. I'm very excited to send it to them. For sure they will like it. Show me what you got, Paris.
Stamps!
Yay! Nagpabili siya ng stamps, guys. Ako naman, wala akong alam sa stamps kasi hindi ako nagpapadala ng mga letters. Sabi ko, oh yeah, I'll just get 10. Hala, like, ano pala ito siya, guys?
There's a lot.
Tag $1.10 each.
It's $11.
Yeah. You happy?
Can you count them?
Yeah. Who are you sending the letter to?
I was having to Lola, Karen, Jake, NAN.
Okay. Who else? This last in Melbourne. We can send to the M's.
Mary
Oh, Mary, yep.
or Ula
Yep.
or Millie. My friend Millie.
That's right.
That with this Millie. He's not my friend.
Why?
Cause I say hi to her.
Yeah.
I say hi to with his sister.
Yeah.
And he doesn't. And he doesn't want.
She didn't say hi back.
Yeah.
That's not nice. Ito ay payak-iyak na rin, guys. She had water from her water bottle. Tingnan nyo, ah. Basang-basang na. Oh, okay. Dapat sana punta pa kami ng park after ng post office. Wala, uwi na kami.
Or I can send a letter to Joe. Cause he's my uncle, you know.
Who?
Joe is my uncle.
Who?
Joe is my uncle.
Joe?
Okay, dash, say dash. Mama, what about I said?
How about to the Jamie?
What? Okay.
Yeah? Okay, keep going na kasi CELINE is happy. Louder.
I'm Paris.
It's crazy.
It's Paris, Nan.
Oh, my parents. We just phoned, his sister rang me, and she said, have you rang for Michael? And I said, no. And he just rang me. Hello, little Paris.
Doctor,
Paris.
Say hi.
Hello.
say how are you?
I'm
You
good.
going?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Just making cars.
Making car. Oh, that's good.
Ask Nani if she received the letter from you.
School?
Yeah, it's kindergarten.
Oh, kindergarten. Oh,
And
lovely.
at kindergarten, we made you a letter.
Oh, that's nice.
Ask Nani if she
Isn't
received it.
it? Nanny
Ask
messages.
Hi, Nan. Nan.
And what else you been doing?
Hi, Nan.
I went to Lily's.
Did you? Oh, lovely. You want to speak to Papa?
Hi, Nan.
Yes, Michael?
Paris sent you a card from her kindergarten. Did you get it?
Oh, yes. I should have told you I got it.
Yeah, she
It
wanted.
was lovely. Thank you.
Paris.
Lovely.
Paris.
Oh,
Nani, receive it now.
card.
No man got the card.
Yeah, Nanny got the
That's
card.
why it's a letter.
It's a letter.
Oh, it was beautiful. And a letter too. We got them both. Paris?
That's great.
That's great.
Ask
Yeah,
Nani if
that's
she like it.
good. Yeah, Nanny
Ask
got
Nani if she
both.
like it.
Do you like that letter?
What's that, darling girl?
Do you like the letter?
Yeah, got the letter too.
Do you love her?
Got the letter.
She said, do you love her?
What's that, Michael?
She said, do you love her?
Yeah, Nanny and Uncle got the letter. It was lovely. And then he's got up on a dressing on a buffet. And it's right in front of me. The both of us in front of Nanny and Papa.
I saw you when I was a baby in Melbourne, and I went to Nan Pa's house when I was a baby. I used to went there when I was a baby too.
Oh, lovely. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah.
Do you miss
Dear
Nan
little
Pa?
girl, aren't you?
Do you miss Nan Pa?
And how's
Yes.
your little sister? Good?
How's
Yeah,
Celine?
he just started to stand up at the table.
Oh. Oh, lovely. I'll put Papa on.
I like watching Blue's the Clues.
You do?
Yeah,
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
yeah.
That's lovely. And what else you been doing, Paris?
We just took a little. Did we have a walk? We
Yes.
just had a little walk. We
Oh,
had a
that's
little.
nice. Isn't it? Then you put Papa on?
Celine was a little bit crying.
Yes. Lovely. I love you.
I love you too.
Nanny loves you and little your little sister, little Celine.
I got stamps.
Pardon?
I got stamps.
Oh, lovely. Here's Papa. There, Papa. Here's Poppy now at Paris.
Talk to Papa.
Hello, Princess. How are you?
Good.
That's good. And I know you've been to kindergarten today, haven't you?
I didn't went to kinder yet.
Beg your pardon?
I didn't went to kindergarten today.
Oh, you don't go to kindergarten today. And what else you been doing?
Last time I did went to kindergarten.
You still there?
Yeah, a little bit more sleeps.
Oh, yeah.
First week I'm going to kindergarten. And we have to do bucket fillers.
Beg your pardon?
We have to do bucket fillers.
Oh, your dad's at the back of you.
No,
What are
bucket
you-
fillers, when we go to kindergarten, we do bucket fillers.
Oh, yeah. And how's Celine? Is Celine talking yet?
Slim can't talk. But he can say mama and dada.
Mummy and Daddy. She says Mummy and Daddy.
No, mama. He says mama and dada. That's funny.
I've heard her talking Mummy. Oh, Mama.
Really much.
Baby, tell me what you wrote for the Karen.
Wish. I wish about you and I wished.
Oh, boop, boop, boop,
Love
boop, boop.
you.
What?
What did you say? What did you say? What did you write for little Karen?
No,
Why don't they say the same
Okay.
thing when you go to see his
Can you read it for Mama?
It says, dear love, I love you, Lola Karen. Love you, love. I want to give you hugs. A lot of hugs. And I'll see you soon. That's what it says.
That's so cool. Tingnan niyo kanya sinulat.
And this one's different. That was different.
Anigil, what are you doing?
I'll tell you what. That was
Pinapakain mo guys, oh.
2.5, 2 years, 3 years.
Ay, gosh, coconut
So
rice.
now, people can...
Come here, let's eat.
No, get it.
Naubusan na kami ng bigas. Daddy didn't buy me rice.
Because you cried this morning when I made the rice for you. It tasted like the rice from the sushi shop at Morningside.
I'm making, ano guys, lugaw. Lugaw pa mo. Kasi kunti lang yung rice na naiwan ba. So I just make whatever.
Look what I made. They talk about like I don't do anything. Make you like proper, what's the
Smells
word?
good.
Let me tell you, I don't...
Is this cooked, Bob?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
What's the word?
Ding, my
I made you,
ding,
Don't tell me the word.
Shh.
I made you Chinook.
Huh? What's Chinook?
I made you.
What's Chinook?
What's that word again? Chicken. I made you something Nook. What is it?
Manok.
I made you Manok and you're like.
Chinook.
I made you Manok and you're like. What's on, Papa? What you said you found that underneath there?
Very sleepy na yung isa, oh.
I made Manok. No, it's not in there, Paris.
Just find something else not to play with.
No, I want stamp. I just want to look at the stamp.
We'll get her. We'll have to
We
get
can't
Paris.
find it.
We'll have to get Paris and you on.
Lucky.
Paris.
Daddy's gonna get
Can
you
you say
a
Manok?
manok.
Can you say Manok?
No.
Sa mood si Iya.
I made you Chinook and getting angry.
Yeah, masarap din naman lugaw, guys. Meron ka niyang pamahaw sa una.
When you seen Tristan, were you a little bit shy? And was he a little bit shy?
Yeah.
Is that because you think he's handsome?
Daddy, I'm talking.
Okay.
Like when he was talking to Jamie's friend,
Yeah.
I said hi.
And what did he say?
Just nothing. He was super shy.
Was he super shy?
Yeah.
But you're not shy.
You think he's cute?
I was a little bit
Why?
shy.
Do you think he's cute?
Yeah, he's cute.
What about, look at me? Is he handsome, but?
No. He's not handsome.
A little bit handsome?
No. He's cute.
Just cute?
How about Finley?
Is Finley handsome?
Yeah. Handsome.
Huh?
Handsome.
He's handsome? Hey! Wait! Put that tongue away. What about Luca? Is Luca handsome? Nah, I don't think so either. At least you got good taste. Is Finley actually handsome?
He's cute. He's cute.
Is Finley handsome?
No, I haven't really.
Phillips. Is that no Tristan? Sorry, Tristan's handsome.
How about Isaac?
Oh yeah.
How about Isaac?
Isaac is funny.
Yeah.
Who's the negrito?
How about Zen?
I'll tell you a secret.
No, how about Zen?
I'll tell you a
Tell me
secret.
about- Okay, I'm gonna tell you.
Right,
How about Zen?
Now he's cute too.
He's cute.
is he handsome, Ali?
Who?
Zen.
Cute.
Both they're okay.
Cute.
Who's the most handsome among
Boy's the most handsome for you.
Finley.
Finley?
Yeah, I want to get married.
What did you just say?
I want to get married.
To Finley?
Yeah.
Finley or Tassie?
Finley. Because I want to get a figure just as a princess.
Oh, you want to get in a wedding dressed like a princess?
anything on the head?
No, I don't want to be flower girl.
No, do you want to be the
I don't want
do you want to be the
finished
princess?
I'm not finished shopping. I don't want to be flower girl. I just want the one wearing the